Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. This is my amazing CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here will be completely free and an $18 moneymaker. Now, watch the video so you can see the mistake I made. Do not make that mistake. Again, everything here completely free and an $18 moneymaker. So hang tight and let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first deal I'm starting with is the Jergens. It's buy two, get $4 back. I'm picking up two at $5.29. That's going to be $10.58. I'm going to be using this 4 off of 2 coupon. I have a 5 off of 2 CRT and a $1.50 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I'll be left to pay just 8 cents and I'll get $4 back from CVS. And I'll get $2 back on Ibotta, $1 for each a bottle, making them both free and a $5.92 moneymaker. Now, if you want the larger bottles, they're $8.29 in my store. 2 will be $16.58. You would still use this 4 off of 2 coupon. And if you have that 5 off of 2 CRT, you can use that as well. And a $1.50 digital will glitch and come off. So you will pay $6.08 and you'll get $4 back from CVS. And you'll get $2 back from Ibotta, making 2 of the large bottles just 8 cents or 4 cents each, which is not a bad deal. Guys, I had a whole deal planned out with this one here because it attaches to 2 Ibotta rebates and this one right here. But guess what? It does not apply to the 5 off of 2 CRTs that I have. So this would have been a huge moneymaker, like $5 and change, but it's not working, so now I have to redo it. This is also attaching to 2 rebates. This is attaching to 2 rebates, and this one right here is also attaching to 2 rebates, but none are attaching to the 5 off of 2 CRTs. Okay guys, so I had to move down because the music is really loud where the city fill is at and I can still hear it, so I'm gonna hurry up. So I'm picking up one of the Pro Derma Control at $15.79 and one of the moisturizing lotion. It's $10.49. 40% off will be $6.29. So for these 2 products, it's $22.08. I have 2 5 off of 2 CRTs and I have a $4 CRT. I'm going to be using 2 of these $4 coupons. So that's $22 in coupons. I'll be left to pay just 8 cents for these 2 products. Now on Ibotta, there's a $1.75 rebate for this one and $1.50 for this one, $1.75 for this one. So after I get the rebate back, it's going to be all free and a $3.17 moneymaker. Okay, so this is my Eucerin deal. Let me loop around here and show you. It is spend $20, get $10 back. I have one of the facial cleanser at $10.79. And I have one of the Skin Calming Lotion at $9.29. For these 2 products, it's $20.08. I have a $2 off of 6 CRT and a $2 CRT that's attaching to this one. This one I have a $2 digital. I'm going to try to use this $2 paper coupon on this one right here. I'll let you know if it does. And if it do, I'll pay $12.08 and I'll get $10 back, making both of them just $2.08 or $1.04 each. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing is the L'Oreal. It's buy 2, get $2 back. It's 2 for $8. There's a $4 digital and I'm going to be using this $4 paper coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I'll be left to pay 0 because it's going to come off together and I'll get $2 back, making it all free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay guys, so on my second card, this is a hair care deal I'm going to do. I have one of the Pantene Gold Series and that's $7.49. I have 2 of the Garnier and it's right here, 2 for $7. When you buy 2, you get $1 back. And 2 of the L'Oreal, it's 2 for $8. Buy 2, get $2 back. So for these 5 products here, it's $22.49. I have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I'm going to be using these coupons right here. So for the Pantene, I'll be using this $1. Excuse it, it's all beat up. $1 for this one right here. For the Garnier, I'll be using this 3 off of 2. Now there's also a $1 digital. I'm not sure if it's going to come off or not, but it probably will. And I'll be using this 4 off of 2 for this one. And there's also a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. For the Pantene, I have a $4 CRT. So after everything comes off, I'll be left to pay just $2.49, but I'll get $3 back. $1 for purchasing 2 and $2 for purchasing 2, making it all free, and a 51-cent moneymaker. Now if that digital comes off, it's going to be $1.51 moneymaker. Okay guys, so my store is not tagged at all anything. So the Oral-B toothbrushes, it's $3.99. Buy 2, get $3 back. I'm picking up 4 at $3.99. That's going to be $15.96. There's a 6 off of 4 and a $1 off of 1 coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now they're both going to come off, leaving me to pay $8.96, and I'll get $6 back from CVS. But on Ibotta, there's $1 back for each one, so I'll get $4 back on Ibotta, making 4 of them completely free, and a $1.04 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the Gain products are $4.99. Buy 3, get $5 back. So I'm picking up these 3 Gain liquid detergent. That's going to be $14.97. I'm going to be using 3 of these $3 coupons, and they only work on these 2 scents. So do not pick up the original. They only work on the Island Fresh and the Blissful Breeze. So that's going to take $9 off. I'll be left to pay $5.97, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 just 97 cents. Okay, so I have a $3 off any anti-acid product. So I'm going to pick up this extra strength CVS brand. It's $3.39. The $3 CRT is going to come off, leaving it to be just 39 cents. Okay guys, so I'm picking up one of the Poise, the 2-in-1. It's $7.79. I have a $3 CRT, and I'm going to try to use this $3 coupon. If this works, I'm going to pay $1.79, and I'll get $3 back on Fetch, making it free and $1.21 moneymaker. Now if this coupon does not work, I have a $2 digital, and that's going to come off, still making it free and a 21-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so I am picking up one of the Compede. It's $9.79. I'm going to use this $5 off coupon. I'm going to pay $4.79, and I'm going to get $6 back on Ibotta, making it free and a $1.21 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of the cards at $1.99, and I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna pick up 2 of the bags at 49 cents. So I have them on the floor right here. So for these 4 products, it's gonna be $4.96. I have a 3 off of 4 CRT, and I have a $2 off of 3 CRT. They're both gonna come off because I have 4 items. It's not purchase-based, it's a purchase-based, not amount-based. So if it was 4 off of $10, then that's different. So all I need is 4 products, and they're both gonna come off. $5 is going to come off, making all 4 completely free. And how cute are these? These are so cute. Never forget how great you can be, or how amazing you already are. This one says, know what's great about you, everything. So these are cute little gifts. I'm going to give them to my coworkers. So I'm going to go to their desk and just leave them on their desk. Okay guys, so L'Oreal is spend $30, get $10 back. You can pick up one of the Aged Perfect for $21.49 and one of the toners at $9.49. So for those both products, it's going to be $30.98. I have a 6 off of 24 CRT. I have a $4 off of the Age Perfect CRT. There's a $2 digital that's going to attach to that one down there. And you can use this $4 one for this one right here. If you do that, you'll pay $14.98 and you'll get $10 back, making it just $4.98. I don't need this because I have a lot. So if you do, go ahead and pick these up. Okay guys, so Revlon is spend 15, get $5 back. I'm picking up one of the Kiss Balm, this one right here, at $7.29, and this one at $6.29. I'm picking up two of those, so these are the prices here. So for 3 products, it's going to be $19.87. I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT, and I'm going to be using 3 of these printable coupons right here. So one for each one. That's going to take $9 off plus the $5 CRT. That's $14. I'll be left to pay $5.87, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 just 87 cents. Any other deal, I would not do it, but I love these, so I'm definitely doing this. Okay guys, so CoverGirl, it's buy 3, get $10 back. I'm picking up 3 of the brow pencils at $6.29 at my store. That's going to be $18.87. I'm going to be using 3 of these paper coupons. Well, on this account, I'll be using 2 because the paper coupons expire before the digital. So I'm going to be using 3 of the $2 paper coupons, and there's a $3 CRT that everyone got. So I'll pay $9.87, and I'll get $10 back, making it free and a 13-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so if you have that free CRT, you can pick up one of these Chips Ahoy. It's $5.79, and it's going to take off $5, leaving it to be just 79 cents. Or if you want it to be completely free, you can pick up one at $4.49 and it will be free. So you can choose any one of these snacks and it will be free, or a few cents. So guys, I have a full cart. Look at this. A full cart filled with all free. Okay guys, so I forgot to record a clip of my breakfast deal. So I picked up 5 of the cereal at $1.99, and that came to $9.95. Now I used 3 of these 1 off of 2 coupons, and it says 1 off of 2, and I have 5 boxes. I used 3 of these. I had a 3 off of 10 breakfast CRT, and I had 2 $1 off of 2 digital coupons that came off as well. So that brought my total down to $1.95 for 5 boxes. So let me show you this receipt. So I used 3 of the $1 coupons, and the 2 came off as well. All right, just wanted to show that to you. Okay, so another thing I did not record is the glycerina. I had to go to a different store for this, and I just ran in and ran out. So it's $5.99 at that store, and it's buy 2, get $5 back. I used 2 of these $3 coupons, and I had a CRT for $2.50 off when I purchased 2. That brought the final cost down to $3.48, getting $5 back, making it free, and a $1.52 moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is the receipt for my gain, and it's $4.99. I used 3 of the $3 coupons. It came down to $5.97. I used a $6 extra back, and it came down to $0. And I got back my $5 extra back, making it just 97 cents for 3. Okay guys, so this is one of my receipts, and it's the larger one. Everything I used came off. Like I mentioned, the 2 coupons came off, as well as the $3 coupons. It came down to 70 cents, and I got back everything I was supposed. So I used, let's see, 10, 20, 30, $40, and I got back 10 here, 20, 26. I got back $26, and I got back $9 on Ibotta, as well as $4 for the Oral-B. I got $2 back for the Jergens, and I got back $3, $1.50 each for the Cetaphil. So on my second card, I used a total of $54 in extra bucks, and I got back $62, making it all free and a $8 moneymaker. That's on my second card. So this is that receipt with the Jergens, and that $1 Garnier did glitch and come off along with that $3 coupon. The Jergens also came off, even though I used that $4 coupon. The $1.50 still came off, and the L'Oreal. So this is everything. My $5 for my free snack came off, my 4th of 18. I used $8 in extra bucks, and I paid 36 cents plus taxes. And I got back $4 for the Jergens. I got back $1 for the Garnier. And I got back $2 for the L'Oreal. Now, I also got, like I mentioned, $1 back for the Jergens on Ibotta. I got back $1 each. So everything was free and an $8 moneymaker on that card. And let me show you my other card. Okay, so this is my other card, and these are all of my coupons and everything I used. My Cetaphil, everything came off as expected. My 2 Hallmark CRTs, and again, the Jergens did glitch on this card. It came down to 63, like, look at the price of taxes. Can y'all see this? Tax 63 cents, but taxes are $8.66. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. So, I got back my $10 for spending $30. I got back the $5 for the gain. I got back the $2 for the L'Oreal, and that's it for this one. I also got back on Ibotta, like I posted it in the video. So you will see $2 for the Jergens, and I got back the money for the Cetaphil. So, okay guys, so these 2 boxes right here, let me move it here. So, don't tell me why I picked up Kellogg's instead of General Mills, and I picked up the large box. So these 2 are $5.99 each. $5.99. Not even paying attention, and my coupons still came off because there were enough boxes. So this has to go back, and this one is going back as well. $5.99, that's $12. So I overpaid by $12. Once I take these 2 back, and of course, you know, you have to return them without a receipt. Once I take them back and get my $12, everything here will be completely free and an $18.23 moneymaker. So let me get these 2 out of the way. So yeah. So everything here completely free, and I made $18 by purchasing it. Like, how can you not coupon? How? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.